Yeah, good morning, student. Hope you are staying at home and you all are safe with your family. Today we are going to start chapter number 2, English grammar, fun with nouns. Page number 16. Let's start. Learn the nouns we need for talking about clothes, parts of body, food, things used in the classroom, furniture and vehicles. Revise the plural s and es ending as well as simple and familiar irregular plural forms. So, what is noun, children? You all know that the name of the person, place, animal or thing is a noun. Means किसी भी आदमी, सामान, जानवर, प्लेस, किसी भी जो भी नाम हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं, those all are noun. Noun are naming words. We used to name anyone, then it's a noun. A noun names people, things, animal, place. I told you that if you are just for example, your name is Srishti, means this Srishti is a noun. Srishti is a girl. Again, girl is also a noun. Okay, representing anything with a name is a noun. Things. If you are using chair, pencil, the things all around you is a noun. Animals, you know all the animals name, lion, tiger, giraffe, anything is an animal, is a noun. Places, Taj Mahal, any kinds of monuments, places, you live at home, your house, that is also a noun. Means a noun names people, things, animals or places. Now complete the verse. It's given over here. Exercise A is there are number of pictures. First one is mango, you know. Second one is pencil, pencil. This is your homework. You are going to complete it. Third one is sofa again. Fourth one you have to do. Fifth one, just think what is this. Sixth, you have to do. Use your brain and just complete your homework. Number B, exercise B, complete the table with the words from exercise A. So you have seen exercise A, there are number 6 pictures and exercise B is related to that. Means in exercise A you can see cloth. Cloth means kapda. Then see which cloth is over here? Jeans. You can see jeans. So over here in exercise B, it's written jeans. So you have to complete body part. If any body part is there in exercise A, you have to just fill it up over here. Fruit, classroom tool, furniture, vehicle. The same you have to complete exercise B. Come to exercise C. Circle the odd one out. As I told you that noun is the name of person, place and animal. According to that you have to fill this. You have to complete this exercise C. Now what you have to do? You have to see that what kind of thing is there in this sentence. And if anything which is odd, means which is not matching with all these four, then you have to cross it out. Means you have to circle it. Just like you can see boy, girl, man and woman. So what are they? We all use all these for human being. Means लड़का को we used to say boy, लड़की को we used to say girl, आदमी को we used to say man और lady को we used to say woman. तो हैंड, यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा क्या हुआ और जो कि हैंड रिलेट ही नहीं करता बॉयज़, गर्ल्स, मैन एंड वुमेन. Again second example I am giving, and from third, fourth, fifth and sixth you have to do. Second one is pen, car, truck, bicycle, scooter. Then you can see easily, you can see car is a vehicle, truck is a vehicle, bicycle is a vehicle, scooter is a vehicle. Means you know कार से हम लोग रोड पे चलते हैं, ट्रक से हम लोग रोड पे चलते हैं, बाईसाइकिल भी हमारा व्हीकल है एंड स्कूटर भी हमारा व्हीकल है. तो ऑड वन क्या हुआ? योर पेन. सो यू हैव टू सर्कल द पेन. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ कम टू एक्सरसाइज डी. फाइंड 6 nouns in the picture that start with letter B. Now there are a number of pictures. There are pictures, means number of items, number of things are there, surroundings. Now you have to see, you have to recognize the things what's lying over here, and if that is a noun which starts from B, then you have to fill it over here. For example, you can see bed. Bed is also a noun and starts from B. Then you have to write B. Understood? Now come to exercise E. Work with a friend, please. Play I Spy to talk about things around you. Your friend needs to guess the object. I spy with my little eye something beginning with B. Book. So you can play with your friend that you can take any letter and you can play with your family that any letter you can give to your family or family will give it to you. That if you are sitting in the living room, अगर आप लोग लिविंग रूम में बैठे हैं, यू कैन सी सोफ़ा, यू कैन सी टेबल, तो ये पेरेंट्स के नास आपके पेरेंट्स पूछ सकते हैं कि कोई भी लेटर हो यहाँ पे, कोई भी थिंग हो वहाँ पे जो सपोज स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम एस, देन यू हैव टू सर्च. आपको घूमना है पूरे रूम में एंड यू हैव टू सी व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स आर देयर इन योर रूम दैट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम एस. अंडरस्टूड? It's a good game. It's a game like you can recognize anything, you can understand the world, what you say to that particular thing, what you name it, what you call it. When we talk about two or more things, we use add as. One word, two words, one table, two tables, one cake, two kids. Now children, you can see over here I have made one table. It's written singular and plural. Okay, singular means single thing, means किसी एक चीज़ के बारे में अगर बात करते हैं that is singular, and when we talk about two or more than two we call it as plural. अगर मान लो if you are having a pen, आपके पास एक पेन है तो आप उसको पेन बोलोगे. अगर आपके पास दो पेन है, मीन्स दो हो या दो से ज़्यादा है, तो we don't use pen, we say pens, PENS, हम लोग उसमें S लगा देते हैं. ओके, सो यू कैन से वन बर्ड, आई हैव वन बर्ड, और यू कैन से अ बर्ड. अगर आप लोग अ लिखते हैं ना तो अ मीन्स भी एक ही होता है. ठीक है, आई हैव अ बर्ड. सो नॉर्मली वी यूज़ अ. वन बर्ड भी बोल सकते हैं, अ बर्ड भी बोल सकते हैं. वन टेबल भी बोल सकते हैं, अ टेबल भी बोल सकते हैं. वन केक भी बोल सकते हैं, अ केक भी बोल सकते हैं. मीन्स अ मीन्स वन. ओके, and the same way if we there are two or more birds, then you can write two birds, or you can write there are two birds. There are two birds, there are two tables, and there are two cakes. So you can add s over here to make it plural. Now so exercise F, you can see there are number of words given over here. 10 words are there and you have to add s over here, just like BALL, ball. What you can write? BALLS, balls. means आपके पास एक बॉल है और अगर एक से ज़्यादा बॉल है आपके पास, then what you use? balls. Now come, then again again we can see, come to build section. When a word ends in s, when a word ends in S, X, CH. Now come to section build. When a word ends in S, X, CH or SH, we add ES. Just like this, just student, just see. If you are take one word, a word which ends with S, just like you can see GLASS. किससे एंड हो रहा है? ये S से एंड हो रहा है. तो जो भी वर्ड आपके एस से एंड होंगे उनके प्लूरल फॉर्म में यू हैव टू पुट ES, नॉट ओनली S, ES. जो भी वर्ड आपके एक्स से एंड होंगे दे यू हैव टू यूज़ ES, जैसे BOX बॉक्स, FOX फॉक्स. ठीक है, अगेन सो वी हैव टू कंप्लीट इट विथ ES. बॉक्स, बॉक्सेस, फॉक, फॉक्सेस. अ वर्ड विच एंड्स विथ SH we use again ES. match, matches, batch, batches, catch, catches. means a word which ends with S, X, CH, to make it plural we use ES. Understood? The same way come to exercise G. Add ES to make more than one. BRUSH. Again it's ending with SH, then you have to write ES. A word which ends with dress, DRESS, again is ending with S, then over here you have to write DRESSES. Understood? The same way you have to complete this exercise. Now come to page number 19. Some forms are different. Now what happened? In some cases you don't have any rule. कोई रूल नहीं होता है, but you have to learn. Just like child. अगर एक बच्चे के बारे में बात करते हैं, we used to write child or child. I met a child. I have a child. But अगर दो एक से ज़्यादा बच्चे होते हैं, we use children. What happens sometimes कि कुछ बच्चे या कुछ बड़े भी, हमारे पेरेंट्स भी कुछ गलतियाँ करते हैं. मीन्स गलती हो जाती है, कभी कभी हम लोगों से भी हो जाती है, बट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. जस्ट लाइक कि जब चाइल्ड हम लोग किसी बच्चे के बारे में बोलते हैं ना, इससे ज़्यादा बच्चे के बारे में, वी यूज टू से चिल्ड्रंस, CHILDRENS. मैंने सुना है. दैट इज़ वाई ये मैं कन्फ्यूज़न दूर करूँ पेरेंट्स, मैं स्पेशली आपके लिए बोल रही हूँ कि आप बच्चे को ये समझा दीजिए, क्लियर कर दीजिए. इट हैपन्स जनरली, बहुत लोग बोल देते हैं और बच्चे उसको कैच कर लेते हैं. तो पेरेंट्स ये सारी चीज़ें मैं जो बता रही हूँ, बच्चे को तो बता ही रही हूँ, आपको भी बता रही हूँ कि आप जब भी बच्चे को पढ़ाएं ये सब चीज़ प्लीज़ क्लियर कर दें. दैट अगर एक से ज़्यादा बच्चे के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, वी यूज़ टू से चिल्ड्रन नॉट चिल्ड्रंस. अगर एक बच्चे के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, वी यूज़ चाइल्ड. ओके, चिल्ड्रन नॉट चिल्ड्रंस. चिल्ड्रंस तभी होगा व्हेन वी यूज़ एपोस्ट्रॉफी, जस्ट लाइक CHILDRENS, चिल्ड्रंस. इसका ये एपोस्ट्रॉफी, इसकी मीनिंग ही अलग हो जाती है. जस्ट लाइक चिल्ड्रन के, का, की, के, चिल्ड्रन का बुक है, बच्चों का बुक है. तो उस का को दिखाने के लिए वी यूज़ एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस. अंडरस्टूड? सो ओवर हियर if we are writing child, it means we are talking about a child, means we are talking about one child. And if we are writing children, it means we are talking about two or more children. Understood? Now next word is man, men. Man में क्या होता है? When we talk about one man, we used to write MAN. And when we talk about two or more than ये man and this man, difference क्या है दोनों में? It is MAN and this is MEN. Means अभी एक के बारे में बात करेंगे तो we used to write man, and जब एक से ज़्यादा के बारे में बात करते हैं तो we used to write men. mans नहीं करेंगे. अगर we used to say mans करेंगे तो ये totally wrong है. mans नहीं होता है, man का men होता है. और हम लोग बोलने में भी जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन होती है वो भी डिफरेंट हो जाती है. man, this is man, MAN, phonic sound a, man, and this is phonic sound E, means men, a, men. ठीक है, men, E. Same way when we write woman and this one, किसके लिए यूज़ करते हैं? इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? औरत. इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? औरतें. जस्ट लाइक वुमन, एक लेडी के बारे में बात करेंगे तो वी राइट वुमन. ठीक है, क्या बोलते हैं? वुमन. प्रोनाउंसिएशन वुमन. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट टू टू मोर देन लेडीज, देन व्हाट वी राइट? EN, WOMEN. यहाँ पे हम लोग वुमन नहीं बोलेंगे, वी यूज टू से विमेन. इसका जो E है, O है ना, वो उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन E में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. तो व्हाट वी यूज टू से? विमेन. अगेन अंडरस्टूड? वुमन used for one lady and women used for two or more ladies. Understood, children? Then foot. Come to word foot, and this is fit. Foot, feet. Foot, feet. Foot किसके लिए कहते हैं? एक पैर के लिए. मीन्स एक जो आपका पैर नीचे वाला एरिया होता है ना, जिससे आप चलते हो, दैट इज़ फुट. एंड फिट किसे कहते हैं? जब एक से ज़्यादा दोनों पैर को अगर पेयर बनाते हैं तो व्हाट वी से? फीट. अंडरस्टूड? माउस. अगेन माउस इज यूज्ड फॉर वन माउस. एंड मीन्स एक चूहा को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? माउस. लेकिन एक से ज़्यादा चूहे को क्या कहते हैं? माइस. MICE. माइस. You have to learn all these things. Understood, children? Then come to exercise H. Complete the sentences with the word for more than one. Again, there are 2 men. Okay? There are 4 children. I have 2 mice. Understood? Means you have to change the word into plural and you have to just fill in the blanks over here. Come to I. Circle the noun in the rhyme. Now this is a rhyme given over here. इसमें आपको नाउन को सर्कल करना है. नाउन क्या है अगेन? किसी आदमी का नाम हुआ, जानवर का नाम हुआ, प्लेस का नाम हुआ, थिंग का नाम हुआ. जैसे किसी भी आदमी प्लेस मीन्स पर्सन प्लेस थिंग और एनिमल को हम लोग नाउन कहते हैं. तो वही है. जस्ट यू कैन सी वी विली विंकी रन्स थ्रू द टाउन. नाउ अगेन वी विली विंकी इज अ नेम, तो यू कैन जस्ट सर्कल इट ओवर हियर. रन्स आपका वर्ब है, थ्रू आपका भी पढ़ोगे आप, द आपका अगेन यू हैव टू स्टडी, सब चीज़ पढ़ाएंगे. बट टाउन इज आपका नाउन, ये प्लेस हुआ ना, तो दिस इज ऑल्सो आपका कॉमन नाउन हुआ. मीन्स इट्स अ नाउन. कॉमन नाउन प्रॉपर नाउन आप बाद में पढ़ोगे इन सीनियर स्टैंडर्ड. बट स्टिल नाउ यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट टाउन इज अ नाउन. Upstairs and downstairs in his night gown. Now you have to circle all the nouns. Just first do it up and then we will check the answers later. Come to score mode. Choose the correct option. I got 3 beautiful. 3 beautiful means 3 beautiful dresses are there. Means not one dress. We are writing 3. Means what you have to write? It's a plural and what you will write? Dresses. And now there are 3 spelling. Number A, dress means it's used for one. Number B, D-R-E-S-S. It's wrong. I told you that when the word ends with S, then in plural form you have to add ES. Then your third one is correct. D-R-E-S-S-E-S. Understood? The same way you have to complete number 2 and number 3. Now the chapter is completed. Now children, what you have to do? You have to complete all the exercises in book. You have to complete all the exercises in book. But now from now onwards, you are going to use one copy. As you know, the lockdown, we are facing this lockdown for a long period. So what will happen if everything you are going to do it in book now? So you are not going to use your copy for anything. So from today itself, you are going to use copy. I will provide you one book list. Okay, stationery shops are open. You can buy, parents, you can buy all the stationery items related to studies, and children are going to use all those stationery items, just like copies. A number of copies are there. If we are giving science practical science exercises, science question answers, children are going to do those exercises and question answers in a copy, and after once in a week they are going to submit it in the school, and we are going to check all those copies. Okay, after checking we return it back and children can learn it, because as you know that when the school will reopen, we are going to have number of tests and exercises, then terminal exams. New students will also come, they will join. That time we are going to have some revision also. तो रिविजन में क्या होगा, बच्चे रेडी रहेंगे. अगर बच्चे से कुछ पूछा जाएगा तो दे आर रेडी कि हाँ मैम आई नो व्हेन वी आर स्टार्टिंग दिस चैप्टर अगेन वी जस्ट नो, बिकॉज अगेन मुझे ये चैप्टर करानी है. रीज़न द न्यू स्टूडेंट्स विल कम और न्यू स्टूडेंट्स को हम लोगों को पढ़ानी है. द सिचुएशन इज़ लाइक दैट कि अभी हम लोग का सेशन स्टार्ट ही नहीं हुआ है. सो एंड नंबर ऑफ स्कूल्स आर नॉट हैविंग इवन ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. So children are requested to do their works in their copy, get it checked by us and learn those question answers, those exercises. Okay, so chapter number 1 I think you all have completed. I have corrected this answers. I have returned it back through online only. So children are supposed to do exercise B, exercise C, exercise D, exercise E, exercise F in their copy. Means all the exercise from B to E they have to do it in their copy. They have to complete all these exercises in their copy. Make sure the copy should be margined. राइट हैंड साइड आपकी जो कॉपी जो होती है कॉपी की पेज में राइट हैंड साइड आपके मार्जिन होनी चाहिए. द कॉपी शुड बी नीट एंड टाइडी. यू आर हैविंग enough time to make your copy. कॉपी में फर्स्ट पेज में you have to leave one page, first page, and after leaving one page, from the second page you are going to continue. Write your name children. अपना नाम लिखोगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ऊपर टॉप पे, and from right hand side ऊपर टॉप पे you are going to write the date. You have to write the name, then between you have to write the chapter name, chapter name, chapter number. Then you have to write down the question, whatever exercise you are doing. Size E, such as like a size E you are doing. Just see if you're writing exercise E, then what question is there? You have to write questions for a friend starting with are you. You have to write this question. You have to write all the questions with their answers. Understood? The way you were doing earlier, standard 1 में you must have done सारा copy work, copy बनाते थे आप लोग. The same way you have to make your copy. Just according to your school, whatever you do, now you have to complete those in your copy. Means today homework I've just given, you have to do these exercises, chapter 2 exercises in your book, and chapter 1 exercises you are going to do it in your copy. Understood? Okay. The same way you are going to make all the copies of all the subjects. Understood? So I am just ending this session. Hope you have understood all these things. What is noun, what is singular, plural. If you have not understood, kindly revert and ask the same. पूछिए कि आपको क्या नहीं समझ में आया. If you can't type से हो सकता है you can't signify, can't explain that what you have not understood. So what you can do, you can just give an audio message, or you can give me a call. कि ma'am, I have not understood this point, kindly clarify it. I am there to help you out. Okay, thank you.